In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dome in Revit. By the end, you'll have a clean, accurate dome built with Revit's Revolve tool, and you'll understand the few key choices that make it work smoothly. Start by heading to the Architecture tab. This is home base for most modeling tools you'll use in a building workflow. From there, choose Component, then Model in Place. This creates geometry that lives directly in your project. If you know you'll need adjustable parameters later, you can start a generic model family instead. The workflow for creating the dome is essentially the same. But for a quick project-specific dome, Model in Place is perfect. When prompted, pick an appropriate category for your object. Generic Models is a safe choice for most conceptual forms. Once you're in the In Place editor, look to the Create panel and click Solid Form, then Revolve. Revolve builds a 3D shape by spinning a 2D profile around an axis, which is exactly what a dome needs. To draw a clean profile, switch to a section or elevation view. Working in a vertical view helps you control height and radius precisely. Sketch half of your dome's profile. A simple semicircle or a smooth arc works well. Keep the shape as a single, closed loop with no gaps or overlaps and place it on one side of where your centerline will be. Add dimensions if you need a specific radius or rise. Locking those dimensions can help preserve intent as you refine the design. Next, draw the axis line. The profile will revolve around. Make it vertical and place it exactly where you want the center of the dome. Aligning it with a reference plane or the project centerline makes downstream coordination easier. The distance between this axis and your arc controls the dome's thickness only if you've drawn an offset profile, so for a simple solid, just use a single arc and one axis. When your profile and axis look right, click Finish to complete the revolve. Revit spins the profile a full 360 degrees by default and creates a solid dome instantly. If the result isn't what you expected, don't worry. You can edit the revolve, tweak the arc, or nudge the axis to refine the shape. That's it. Architecture tab, component with model in place, solid revolve. Sketch half the profile in section or elevation, set a vertical axis, and finish the sketch to form the dome. Save your work, and you're ready to place, copy, or host the dome in your project.